The DJI Neo 2 has officially become one of the most talked about compact drones of 2025. And for good reason. This little powerhouse manages to balance performance, portability, and price in a way that makes it feel like a true game changer for creators, vloggers, and cinematic enthusiasts alike. Starting at an incredibly competitive $229 for the standard combo, which includes the drone, controller, and a single intelligent flight battery. DJI has made it clear that you don't need a massive budget to shoot professional-grade 4K aerial footage. For those wanting more flight time, the upgraded Fly More combos are priced between $279 and $429, offering additional batteries, a carrying case, and even the Motion Control Edition, which includes DJI's motion controller for immersive FPV-style flying. This pricing strategy perfectly aligns with DJI's vision of democratizing filmmaking, bringing cinematic potential to anyone with creativity and curiosity. What really sets the Neo 2 apart, though, is how it redefines the mini drone category by merging advanced FPV dynamics with ease-of-use features traditionally found only on larger DJI models. Early leaks from insider sources and FCC filings confirm that the DJI Neo 2 will be officially announced in November 2025, with full availability expected by January 2026, just in time for the new year. Compared to the original DJI Neo, which was more of an experimental toy, the Neo 2 represents a complete overhaul. A pocket-sized cinematic drone designed for vloggers, hobbyists, and content creators looking for professional footage without the bulk of a Mavic. Underneath its sleek exterior lies a 1,660 mAh battery, extending flight time to an impressive 20-25 minutes, up from the first model's 15-18 minutes, while still staying under the crucial 250-gram weight limit to keep it compliant with lightweight drone regulations worldwide. It's equipped with level 5 wind resistance, a top speed of 16 ms in sport mode, and DJI's O4 video transmission system, the same tech used in higher-end drones like the Air 3, providing up to 10 km of stable, low-latency transmission for smoother, lag-free video feeds even in challenging environments. On the imaging side, DJI has packed in a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of 4K 60 FPS recording, 10-bit HDR, D-Log-M, and advanced tracking powered by ActiveTrack 6.0, which enables cinematic motion and precise subject locking. The footage quality easily rivals what you'd expect from cameras double its price, while built-in gesture and voice controls make it approachable for beginners. DJI has also introduced smart flight modes like Quick Shots, Waypoint 2.0, and Master Shots, making it easier to create professional-looking aerial footage straight out of the box without needing advanced piloting skills. Essentially, the Neo 2 feels like DJI's love letter to creative freedom, a palm-sized drone that empowers anyone to capture their stories from a new perspective. When compared to rivals like the Autel Nano SE, Hubsan Zeno Mini Pro, or Fimi X8 Mini, the DJI Neo 2 doesn't necessarily win every spec battle. It's not the lightest or the longest ranged, but it delivers something more valuable: consistency, ecosystem integration, and world-class image stabilization. DJI's intelligent flight software and post-processing ecosystem through apps like DJI Fly and Lightcut continue to give it the edge in usability and support. Alongside this launch, another exciting leak surfaced: images of the upcoming DJI Osmo Mobile 8 retail box, which confirm that DJI isn't stopping with drones this season. The leaked packaging shows a more cinematic and polished box design compared to the Osmo Mobile 7, clearly aimed at professional vloggers and mobile filmmakers. This sleek new gimbal is rumored to officially launch in November 2025, suggesting DJI plans a huge end-of-year lineup refresh that blends drones, gimbals, and possibly even new pocket cameras. Speaking of which, the DJI Pocket 4 and Pocket 4 Pro are expected to arrive by late 2025, marking another major upgrade to DJI's pocketable camera lineup. According to multiple insider reports, the Pocket 4 will feature a redesigned, lighter chassis, about 35% lighter than the Pocket 3, and maintain the beloved rotating viewfinder that allows users to shoot from creative angles without bulky rigs. Camera-wise, the Pocket 4 is rumored to use a 50MP 1-1.3-inch Omnivision sensor, similar to those found in flagship smartphones like the Oppo Find X7 and Vivo X100, delivering flagship-grade image quality in a handheld form factor. Expect features like Hasselblad color calibration, enhanced low-light capture, and AI-driven scene optimization, all supported by improved stabilization algorithms. Meanwhile, the Pocket 4 Pro could introduce a dual lens system for even greater creative flexibility, possibly offering one wide angle and one telephoto module, giving creators the power to shoot professional-grade cinematic footage right from their pocket. In terms of pricing, the Pocket 3 currently retails for around $629, so it's expected the Pocket 4 will sit in the $699–$749 range, while the Pocket 4 Pro may approach $899 depending on included accessories. DJI's focus here seems to be clear, combining portability, professional imaging, and smart AI features into a single cohesive ecosystem that keeps creators locked into DJI's world of drones, gimbals, and pocket cameras. But the innovation doesn't stop with DJI. Over in the smartphone world, Honor has just stunned the tech industry by teasing a device that looks straight out of a sci-fi film, the Honor Robot Phone, unveiled briefly at the end of the Magic 8 and Magic 8 Pro launch event. The teaser showed a smartphone equipped with a robotic gimbal-mounted camera that moves, tilts, and even reacts like a living being. Imagine the mechanical precision of a DJI Osmo Pocket fused directly into a smartphone body. The result is a device that can track subjects autonomously, perform cinematic pans, and even express emotions using AI-driven motion and visual cues. Honor claims this device will use emotion-adaptive AI, capable of recognizing user moods, responding to expressions, and adjusting interactions in real time. Set for its full unveiling at MWC 2025 in Barcelona, the Honor Robot Phone might redefine what we think of as a smartphone, blurring the line between camera, companion, and AI assistant. The device reportedly houses a mechanized split camera module that unfolds from the back, allowing for dynamic tracking and self-adjusting compositions, essentially a camera that behaves like a miniature droid. Whether this concept becomes a working product or remains a prototype remains to be seen, but if it delivers what Honor promises, it could spark a new category of AI-driven robotic phones. According to leaks, the starting price could fall between $1,600 and $1,900, pushing it beyond even top-tier foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and iPhone 16 Ultra. Still, that kind of pricing makes sense if Honor truly manages to build a phone that behaves more like a responsive robot than a static device. Between DJI's Neo 2, Osmo Mobile 8, Pocket 4 lineup, and Honor's upcoming robot phone, 2025 is shaping up to be one of the most transformative years for content creators and tech enthusiasts. Whether you're a vlogger searching for the ultimate lightweight drone, a filmmaker looking for smooth, stabilized shots, or a gadget lover fascinated by AI-infused design, this new wave of innovation promises to deliver tools that feel smarter, faster, and more human than ever. DJI continues to dominate the aerial and handheld filmmaking space, proving that creativity doesn't have to come with compromise, while companies like Honor are pushing the boundaries of what technology can emotionally express. One thing's for sure, from the skies to your pocket, the future of cinematic storytelling is looking brighter, smarter, and more connected than ever before.